Fellow Ugandans, especially the Bazukulu, I have seen the concern by some Ugandans regarding the remanding of Dr. Besigye for the very serious offences he is alleged to have been planning. If you want a stable country, the more correct question should be, Naye Dr. Besigye bamukwatira ki? Why was Dr. Besigye arrested? The answer to that is a quick trial so that the facts come out. Otherwise, you are promoting insecurity, which is very dangerous for the country. Nobody in the world can easily give us lectures on reconciliation and forgiveness because that is part of our doctrine right from the 1960s. However, our strategy and doctrine are also based on accountability by the mistake makers, especially those who kill Ugandans. We are now able to remember Janan Luwum, Bendicto Chwanuka, Kingo Chemangos, Edward Mutesa, etc. Moving through a peaceful Uganda and traveling on good tarmac roads because the freedom fighters sacrificed themselves and defeated Idi Amin and all the other killers. We are known for vengeance, but the danger of the killers must be removed. Therefore, the correct answer in the matter of Dr. Besigye is a quick trial. Who slowed down the trial process? It is the courts that pointed out some gaps in the military courts and they ordered the transfer of the cases to the civilian courts. The concerned people are therefore working on two fronts: transfer the files to the civilian courts from the military courts, and the government and the legislators to close the gaps in the military courts. If you are innocent, why do you not demand for a quick trial so that you can prove your innocence and expose those who are persecuting you instead of demanding bail, forgiveness, as if serious crime is also entitled to holidays? On the issue of sickness, there is, first of all, a government hospital in the prison. Besides, Dr. Besigye's personal doctors have been visiting him and even taking him to private clinics. If there was need for any additional medical care, the government would be advised. However, in this case, Dr. Besigye was on hunger strike. That is part of the cause for his weakness that we could see in the pictures that were in the newspapers. Is that not unprincipled blackmail? How can you be accused of serious crimes and then your response is a hunger strike to generate sympathy for getting bail, etc.? Why don't you demand a quick trial? The military court was ready for the trial. Let us wait for the civilian court. Signed, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.